The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new budget-friendly phone under A series in Italy and Indonesia called Redmi A7 Pro. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi A7 Pro features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UNISOC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi A7 Pro sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The prices for the Redmi A7 Pro in Italy and Indonesia are as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in mist blue, palm green, sunset orange, and black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi A7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.